Hey, it's Gina from WTI. What is this amazingly beautiful tea that I'm drinking? It's butterfly pea tea from Fresh Drink. If you haven't tried making this kind of tea before, you really need to. First off, how can you resist this absolutely gorgeous color? I use 20 of the blossoms from this bag of over 1,000, and then I add 2 cups of boiling water. When you let it brew for just a few minutes, you're going to see it change from a light blue color to a darker blue and then to like almost a midnight blue with purple overtones. It's so cool to watch it change color again when you add citrus to it. So you're probably wondering, what does this taste like? It has a very mild taste to it. It's not floral, but has to me just a very slight split pea taste, but not in a bad way. And you can add honey and ice to it to make it cold, or again, add the lemon and it gives you this nice citrus taste. One of the things that I think is really cool about this tea is you can actually use it to color cocktails. And trust me, the flavor does not transfer over into the cocktail. So here you can see that I've used it in a modified margarita. This is such a fun tea to use at a gathering to kind of add some spice to your cocktails, or with kids, of course, for non-alcoholic things like lemonade, or you could just add it to a carbonated water so that they can have the cool color with it without any harmful dyes. You should definitely jump on the butterfly pea tea wagon. It's so much fun, and I just love these ones from Fresh Drink, and that's my point of view.